Hi guys, thanks once again for tuning in to my channel. This video will be a quick one on LeadsLeap social review and why it is so important for your online business. Just to give you a background on what LeadsLeap social review page looks like, it looks like this, and they have a lot of categories here that you can actually look in for reviews of current users of that particular program. So okay, I'm trying to let you look into the ones that I am involved in. Let's go to advertising, and one of the many programs that I'm involved in is free advertising for you, million leads for free, and top dogs rotator. And okay, if I will go into this one, free advertising for you, and I think just today, okay, let's sort it at most recent. I think this one just came up today by Magdi Mikhail, and he tells you about free advertising for you, his experiences. And the next one is of course my review and my experiences with it and what I feel about it, and my review is quite long, and followed by others who have given their opinion on free advertising for you. So as you can see that this page carries a link that goes to my free advertising for you affiliate link or referral link. So anyone who posts the review of free advertising for you will actually carry the reference link onto this button, even though there are other reviews from other users of free advertising for you. So I hope I got that clear, that you can actually use this page as your testimonial page for free advertising for you if you ever join free advertising for you. And okay, I'll scroll down right to the end of the page to show you that this whole page is recommended by me in LeadsLeap. So I will reiterate that no matter who reviews this free advertising for you will actually sell for you. If you haven't got a LeadsLeap account, please do join, and this is a good way to promote any programs that you have joined, and once you have a review up, you can actually use that page to promote, and later I will show you that this page does bring in a lot of leads and a lot of referral signups. So I'll just go back to the main page of the LeadsLeap social review, and as you see here, there's a search bar, and let me type in the program that I'm promoting right now, which is called Level Up 247. I'll just click read reviews, and that's my review. And there are 2 more reviews right here. Okay, so taking the concept of this page being a review page that you can promote to promote Level Up 247, this program, I will then now show you that this site, this page alone has given me some signups from an email I sent out just a day ago. Okay, I'll go to the Level Up 247. This is my dashboard for Level Up 247, and already I have 16 new members and 8 new top tour takers. And I'll go into my team and my Level Up members. Alright, look at this. This is the LeadsLeap review tag, source tag that I put on the LeadsLeap review that you saw earlier. Already I had 2 signups, or 3 or 4 signups from that page alone. So I can say that this little experiment of mine to promote this LeadsLeap review of Level Up 247 did bring in some signups, as you can already see that I've shown you. 4 signups have come through that single page. And now if we go back to the LeadsLeap review page, what I want to tell you is that it proves that this page is powerful enough to convince anyone who are looking for good feedback on the site that you want to promote. So this big button here takes you to my referral link. So with that, I will take you to the page on LeadsLeap that I have all the other reviews I've done. Let's go back to the main page, which is LeadsLeap. Just hang on. And then these are my reviews. Okay, so this is a list of my reviews that I've done so far. Yeah, here you have free advertising for you. There's one for LeadsLeap, there's one for Level Up 247, a million leads for free, top dogs for data, and traffic G. So let's go to the one I've done for Level Up 247, and this is the text of the review that you saw just now, and this is where the link is for your landing page on Level Up 247. That's where you click here, and you can copy this and paste it wherever you want to promote this review page that I showed you just now. So this link will be the one on the button I showed you. Level up 247. That link will be embedded onto this button. So I hope you gained some tips out of this by using the LeadsLeap social review page as your sort of landing page to convince your prospects to your program that you are promoting. And I do hope that this video was helpful, and that when you join LeadsLeap, which is a very powerful platform, very powerful internet marketing platform that I use every day, and if you do get a chance to join, please write a review of any programs that you are already involved in. And I might also add that LeadsLeap is a very high ranking site, and when a site is high ranking, you will get a lot of organic search for your review. So with that, thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos in time to come, so please keep an eye out for the next one. And I have a lot of useful tips and tricks coming your way. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.